Hello everyone. Anti-Corruption Day. Every year on December 9, International Anti-Corruption Day is observed. But what is anti-corruption? To understand anti-corruption, first we need to understand corruption. Corruption is a form of dishonesty or a criminal offense which is undertaken by a person or an organization which is entrusted with a position of authority in order to acquire illicit benefit or abuse power for one's personal gain. Corruption may involve many activities, which includes bribery and embezzlement, and it may also involve practices which are illegal to many countries. Political corruption occurs when an office holder or other government employee acts in an official capacity for personal gain. So now we know what's corruption. So now we can say that anti-corruption means to stop corruption, and that Anti Corruption Day serves as a reminder for each of us to actively speak out and fight against corruption. But if first party is giving gift or money to second party for doing their work, so what's wrong with it? We all do that. When we buy something from store, we pay for goods. When we give our car for servicing, we pay for the service. Then what's the difference between corruption and paying for goods and services? Well, there is a slight difference between paying for goods and services and corruption. The thing that makes the difference is that paying for goods and services is a legal act, while corruption is an illegal act. In simple words, paying illegally for an act is corruption. What are the effects of corruption? Corruption can create a negative image of government in country, in which as a result people will stop believing in government and government officials, and it may cause major conflicts in country, but altogether it will create a lot of chaos in the country. So we must do our best to stop corruption and spread this message as much as possible. Thank you, and let's try our best to end corruption from whole world.